board our plane. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Abigail and I upload daily videos called Thoughts on Confidence because as women we have to be thinking about, talking about and taking action all around our confidence every single day if we want to become more confident. And if you haven't yet subscribed, make sure that you do hit that notifications button so that you can get your daily boost in confidence. See, we are walking through an airport. We are actually at the Qatar Doha airport in Qatar. It is now, is it 1 o'clock or is it 2 o'clock? I don't know, can't tell. It's very late or very early in the morning. We are walking very, very slowly. And that's also significant, relevant to today's thought on confidence. So let's take a look at what it is. The journey of confidence may be slow, but each step forward counts. Sometimes on this personal development journey, it can feel like you're not really getting very far, that you're not really making much progress. And like you just keep trudging on and on and on, and you've got nothing to show for it. But the thing is that the changes and the developments and the growth can be so subtle that you don't even realize that they're happening because it's such an incremental process. Ooh, look at that. And for me personally, this has been made so apparent, this subtle day by day, because as of, in fact, a couple of minutes ago, when it was still midnight in South Africa time, that marked exactly halfway on this 365 Thoughts on Confidence journey. Day number 182. So half of 365 is 182.5. So somewhere in the world it is exactly halfway. And I was saying to my husband that it has been the longest 182 days, but the shortest 6 months. And so it's all just about perspective. Absolutely, it's how you frame it and how you look at it. And so it has been slow and it has been steady and it has been easy, but at the same time it's been really, really tough. And that, I think, is a perfect metaphor for any personal development or confidence journey. It is both easy and difficult. It is both super fast and super slow. So don't discount when your progress is slow. It is happening. It is happening for you, and you just have to keep on going and trust. And it's just about putting one foot in front of the other. It's just about one step at a time. Just keep at it. Eventually you're going to get to the point where you can hardly recognize the person you used to be compared to the person that you are now. So I'm going to leave it there because the airport is getting quite busy. We are dodging passers-by and also going to try and get some sleep before we catch our next flight. And we've still got a few hours to wait before we can catch said flight. So let me know what you think. Does any of this resonate with you today? Leave a comment down below. Otherwise, give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, hit the notifications button, and I will see you again tomorrow.